So sea turtle season in South Florida is March through October. Now there are some very important things that we can do to make sure we have a successful nesting season. The number one thing you can do is lights out for sea turtles. Mother turtles and the babies are very sensitive to light. So if you turn off extra lights at home, porch lights, lights outside, keep an idea of your light pollution around your house, we can make sure the beaches stay dark and healthy for turtles. If you ever find yourself on the beach at night and you see a mother turtle nesting, don't approach her. They are very sensitive when it comes to crowds and people watching them. Keep your distance and be on your way. If you ever run across babies in the later half of the summer as they hatch and find them on the beach during the daytime, do not put them in the water. You want to bring them to a lifeguard or the Sandaway Discovery Center and we can bring them to where they need to be. Another thing you guys can do to help turtles is not disturb the beach. Don't build sandcastles high up on the beach area. Baby sea turtles can become trapped in the divots and the burrows. It's always better to build sandcastles below the high tide line so the waves wash them away. Otherwise, limit your plastic. More plastic on the beach, more plastic in the ocean harms turtles, so do what we can to keep our ocean clean.